Hello, and welcome back to the Burdu channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add discount labels and out-of-stock labels to your product listings on your website homepage. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to Layout, then choose Edit Layout. On this page, we'll add the product labels to the main product list section. To make it easier, let's use the Magic Wand tool and point it to the product list section here. Now go to Label Here. You'll find two label options that can be displayed on your product cards: the discount label and the out-of-stock label. Let's start by enabling the discount label first. When it's activated, you'll see the discount tag appear on the top right corner of products that have a crossed-out price higher than the selling price. The discount can be shown either as a percentage or a price difference. You can also add custom text, adjust the shadow thickness, and customize the colors, including the label background, text color, and border color. Below, you can further customize the label's appearance. For example, change the text size, which applies only to the custom text here. Adjust the number size, border width, corner radius, and even floating position. The floating option lets the label slightly stick out from the product card, creating a more dynamic visual effect. Now let's try enabling the out-of-stock label. Once activated, you'll see which products have stock quantities of 0 or below. Notice here, even if a product previously had a discount label, once the stock runs out, the discount label automatically switches to the out-of-stock label. Just like the discount label, the out-of-stock label can also be customized. You can change the text color, background, border, text content, shadow, font size, border width, corner roundness, and floating position. Here's how your store homepage now looks with both discount and out-of-stock labels applied. Once everything looks good, click Save. If you have a product that's out of stock in your store, but the label isn't showing up, you can fix it by double-checking your product settings. Go back to your Burdu website dashboard, open the Products tab, and edit the product where the out-of-stock label isn't showing. Make sure that the Track Stock option is checked. By default, this option is enabled automatically. However, if it's been unchecked, whether intentionally or by mistake, the system won't display the out-of-stock label for that product. So remember, if you want the out-of-stock label to appear, make sure the Track Stock box is checked. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. Also, follow us on social media for more helpful content. See you in the next video.